Hello everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi. If you're a usual here, we have relocated, not for the first time, but one of my favorite things to do on my channel is to find new and cool places to record. So I am outside of my house right now. If you follow me on Instagram, you have probably seen me here before. But I love to say, when you ask, you shall receive, because I really love to hold myself to that on my channel, because I think it's so important for me as a creator to not only do the videos that I enjoy producing, but to also do the ones that you guys want to see. So that is why we are here. So I'm going to show you what is in my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories and give you a little review on it. So without further ado, let's get right into that. So with the current situation, I have had to kind of adjust what I kept in my bag a little bit, just because I had to really figure out what I needed and what I didn't to fit some of the new necessities. So first things first, regardless of the situation, I had to make room for my sunglasses. And these Ray-Bans I have linked to my Amazon storefront, and I've worn them in multiple videos before, and they are just my favorite because I think they're so cute and the shape of them is fun, but they're also very versatile, which is why they are the pair that I prefer to keep in my purse. And they honestly, for some reason, feel the most durable of any of my sunglasses, so I don't really have to worry about them like crushing in there. And I've never had a problem, so really great to keep a pair of sunglasses that work with everything in your purse. Next, speaking of changes in times, I have a mask in here. And honestly, my big thing is, this is a purse I use majority of the time, and if I'm using this purse, then obviously like this mask is going to match it. So that's why I chose to keep this mask in this purse. Definitely, if you have a few, throw them in different bags, because it is so important to have it on you. So this one's just super cute, and I guess I'll model it for you guys because I'm annoying. So there's that. Because, you know, this is about my bag and I'm just gonna throw out random things to you. I know that looked dumb like the way I just had it, but if you can get like an around the back of the head one, I think they're so much more comfortable, and you can just put your hair over it and no big deal. But I think they stay on much better. So I guess if you're someone that the little ear things bothers, like, check these out if you can get your hands on one. Next, I have this little hand sanitizer. You can't be without it right now, and it's cucumber melon, and it smells delicious, from Bath and Body Works. I'm smelling it like I can like show it to you guys. And honestly, I kind of kept these on me before this started, but now I make sure I have them on me. So I love Bath and Body Works for that. So that's really it for the front of my purse is, and I forgot to put these away, is my sunglasses, mask, and hand sanitizer. It's not that I can't fit more. It's just I also normally put my phone in here. So just for like sizing too, I guess is part of kind of a review, is there is plenty of room for me to fit all those items. So I just wanted to throw that out there in case you were curious on that. I should have looked up the name of this wallet, but this is my Louis Vuitton wallet, and I just love it, especially obviously in this purse. I like to have them matching, but I didn't always have a matching one. But I mean, in my wallet, I can't really show you anything that's in here. Actually, I can show you this. This is a tile. If you were not aware of this, I am so thrilled that I thought to show you this. Having a wallet tile, it's literally as thin as a credit card. It has been the best thing in the world for me, because I never take my wallet out of my purse, so it helps me keep them both. But it's also like, if someone did take it, they wouldn't like come across a tile and be like, throw it in the freaking bushes. And honestly, for my own sake, I misplace stuff all the time, and just for the sake of finding it myself, this is huge. And I just try to keep some cash just in case, some change in case I need it. In New York, there are tolls, so I have to have that. And I have like my ID, my insurance cards, my Starbucks gift cards always. But I do, like I said in my other video, normally load those into my Apple Wallet. So I honestly don't even know if there's anything on these, because I do that. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's in here. Then I like to also keep a couple of hair ties in my purse in case I ever want to throw my hair up, because I am absolutely famous for that. Another thing, because of what is going on in the world, I keep these wet ones on me, and these are so perfect if you can get your hands on them, because they're small, travel size. You can literally keep them right here. I could definitely have more in here if I needed them. So if you can get your hands on these little travel size wipes. I will try to link some to my Amazon storefront if they have them. And honestly, I'm going to, now that I think about it, start an Amazon storefront for my favorite COVID supplies, because there's so many great things to have on you so you can make sure you're staying safe when you go out, because it is so important. Because I'd hate for people to stop living their lives or to feel uncomfortable or unsafe going different places, so I will definitely do that. So I will, as always, have my Amazon storefront linked in the description, so you can go check out my COVID protection favorites on there. Next I have, okay, these are so funny, but we have so many of them because at my grad party that was literally like 3 years ago now, my mom had my favorite be these little mints with my picture on them. So I have so many of them around my house, so they're always the ones I choose because people always laugh too. And I like to have mints on me at all times just in case I go out to eat or am like whatever. But yeah, we like to keep those on us. And another thing, because I have said before, I am crazy about my teeth. I like to keep floss on me because it would drive me crazy to have things stuck in my teeth. So I have that. For sizing purposes, my wallet is something that takes up a pretty good portion of this, if you can see in there. So I don't typically keep much more in this pouch, or else it doesn't close comfortably. And I find that often I have random things, depending on where I'm going, that I have to throw in here. So I like to keep a little extra space. So that's a big thing that I do, is to make sure I don't have it shoved full when I'm going places, because that honestly drives me crazy going in and out of it as well. And last but not least, the best part of this whole bag is this little circle thing, because I've never had a little compartment like this, and I put my most used items in here. One, because it's cute, two, because it's convenient. So I have this Louis Vuitton little tiny perfume that came with one of my bags, and I love the smell of it. It's oh so nice, and it's the Sun-Sung Louis Vuitton perfume, and I love to keep it in my bag because I do not like to smell, so I like to freshen up sometimes. Then I haven't really told you guys this yet, but I do use all Hourglass makeup, and if you're interested in seeing like my makeup that I use, because I also do have to owe some of my clear skin to that. If you want to know my big secret to clear skin, you have to watch my packing video where I give my last final college hack. But I love this concealer stick because I truly believe that it has helped me to keep my face clear. So again, if you're interested in seeing that, I can tell you what to and not to do to keep your skin clear with makeup, because trust me, I've done it all. And also, like I said, the things I use the most are in this pouch. So I have this little lip gloss, and it is the Joair Stardust. Pronunciation just... But it is the perfect size, and this all fits so cute in this little pouch. I think this thing's probably for change, but you know, I use it otherwise, which is fine. Everyone has their thing, and this is what I do. So now to my review on the bag. I think that this bag is so super cute because it is very different than other bags that I have. And if you are not aware of like what the multi-pouchette is like capable of, I can show you. So this big strap can come off, and you can use this little bag if you detach it. So I love this bag because you can use it in so many different ways, and I just think it's worth the money when it doesn't always have to look the same. So you can use this little bag just like this, which is so stinking cute if you ask me. And this part also off of the strap can detach. So like I feel like I might take this off and hook it onto my school bag, or you know, like literally any of my other bags that I have. But I also thought it could be cute just on here. I mean, maybe it's a little big for there and I haven't actually carried it this way, but just like literally so many ways that you can use this bag. Obviously, like the big strap could be used by itself on this bag, and with the changeable straps you can also get like all different straps from Louis Vuitton, which is super cool. So I do have the other Louis Vuitton key holder, which I've showed in one of my other videos of college hacks, and I could hook that like to this little piece, or I could just carry this itself. Like there's so many ways to use it. So I just think that's the #1 reason I highly recommend this bag, because I mean, it just looks like a different bag every single time, which is so fun. And this bag also has more organized storage because of the different compartments, and they're all like their own little person side. So it's so convenient for easy access and getting things out without like worrying about dropping them, because that is like always my biggest fear when I'm like scrambling through a bag and like don't want to lose things, and especially when I keep like my most valuable things. So I have a lot more stuff in my Louis Vuitton backpack, which I made a video of, so definitely check that out if you haven't seen that one, because that is my school bag and I keep a lot of very different stuff in that one than I do this one. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll link it down below in the description as well and in the little card. Another thing I love about this bag, and honestly Louis Vuitton in general, is you pay for the quality, and they really are amazing quality, and I do worry about them because I am crazy about taking care of my valuable things, but I don't actually have to, because I know that Louis Vuitton doesn't make anything that is easily wrecked, and that is 100% my experience with the pieces that I have. And yeah, if you have any further questions on this bag, or if you check out my other video, have any on that one, please let me know, because I always want to make sure that if you guys are going to spend the money on any of these things, that you know exactly what you're getting and don't buy something without knowing or being able to use it for what you are looking for. So that is it for what is in my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. And like I said at the beginning, I absolutely adore doing videos that you guys want to see, so always feel free to comment below, hit me up in my community tab or on Instagram, literally wherever. But that is it, so I will see you next time. Bye guys.